Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. SEI is one of the coins that I don't really cover very often on YouTube, but it is covered regularly for our gold members. I wanted to take the opportunity, now that the price is showing a bit of a reaction to our micro support region here, to take a look at the chart for everybody. And this is the daily chart. We're tracking here an A, B, C structure. There are a couple of problems with this chart. The first one is the initial rally is a three-wave move. It's not a five-wave move. It is a three-wave move. The pullback can be considered wave B, absolutely. But the next problem is that the rally from the 5th of August low is only a three-wave move. Okay, so we're dealing only with three-wave movements. What basically that means, this chart has never been able to, or has never done it, has never rallied in an impulse in its lifetime. And I always find this, it's just not great, okay? It's just not great. That doesn't mean that it couldn't go up. No, of course it could go up. I mean, the pullback is in three waves, so I'm generally open to the idea we could go higher. It's just that we have to we have to watch these charts like a hawk, right? Here, if you look at this, this is a three-wave move, this rally from the 5th of August low, very similar to what Bitcoin did as well. I am tracking also here a possible 1-2 setup. Is it high confidence? No. So if you're trading this, then you have to be very much aware that you have to focus on risk management. The pullback here could be still wave B in the making because of this three-wave rally. It is just impossible to determine if we've bottomed or not. We can identify risk levels and you can decide if you want to take a long position. Certainly the market reacted to the golden ratio level, which is already promising, but more evidence is needed. If circle 3 is now unfolding, first of all, the condition is that the 25-cent level is holding, the last swing low, and the third wave should take us to the 1.38 extension at 56 cents. And that's the first ideal target for a third wave. There is a lot of work the bulls need to do to drive the price there. First of all, the price has to break above 36.5 cents, circle wave 1 high, and then we need to take the price above the previous swing high here, which I've labeled a B wave at 42 cents, and then the door is open to a rally towards the 56 cent level, where we also have previous structural resistance. But if the third wave can't even get there, then yeah, I mean, it's probably not a third wave, okay? And the way this would develop is likely this is going to be an A, B, C structure in wave 3, because the wave 1 is an ABC as well. There's no other way this would have to be that, that way. And again, if we break below 25 cents, it's the first step to a test of the lower support, highlighted here in yellow. Okay, and if we just move that to the right, and the levels would be, well, the main level would be at 15.7 cents down here. Yeah, so what we have to watch for, all eyes need to be on the last swing low, the golden ratio level. If we break below that, okay, we could still test the 78.6 retracement, but that's sort of the last reliable level for a wave 2. If that level breaks, we're likely dropping down to 15.8 cents. And on the flip side, if the third wave really gets, so if we see a bit more upside momentum, the reaction is already somewhat promising, but still too small to really confirm the start of that move to the upside. Also, consider that we're moving in corrective structures here, so it's not going to be, so we won't be able to really confirm that the move up has started. But the levels are clear. I gave you an upside target, invalidation points, and if all 5 waves can form as highlighted here in wave 1 in white, then we can add a support area for wave 2, which could be used as a jump off point for a third wave. And then we can move towards the $2.20 area in the larger C wave, which is part of that large A, B, C structure. That's the update about SEI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.